In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in Aweber. By the end, you'll know exactly how to filter your contacts and save that filtered group as a reusable segment so you can target the right people with the right message. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Aweber. When the results load, choose the official site and head to the home page. This helps you avoid look-alike pages and ensures you're working in the right place. Once you're there, click Sign In. Use your usual login details securely, and when your dashboard loads, you're ready to set up your segment. Inside Aweber, look toward the main navigation and click the Subscribers tab. From the drop-down that appears, select Manage Subscribers. This is where you can build precise filters to narrow your list to exactly who you want to reach. At the top of the page, you'll see the search area. Click into the Select Field drop-down to choose what you want to filter by. Common choices are tag, date added, or country. Tags are great when you've labeled subscribers by interests or actions. Date added helps you find subscribers who joined during a specific time frame, which is useful for onboarding flows or recent promotions. Country lets you narrow your audience by location if you're targeting a region. After you choose a field, pick an operator such as is or includes, then type the value you want to match. For example, you might choose tag is customer for a precise match, or tag includes spring if your tags sometimes contain multiple words. If you need to refine further, click the plus icon to add more conditions. Select and when all conditions must be true, like country is United States, and date added is within the last 30 days. Choose or when any one condition is enough, such as tag includes webinar, or tag includes ebook. As you build, keep an eye on the results list to confirm it matches your intent. Once your filtered list looks right, scroll to the bottom of the search area. In the Save As segment box, enter a clear, descriptive name that reflects your criteria, so you'll recognize it later. Then click Save. Aweber will store this segment and keep it updated automatically as subscriber data changes to match your rules. That's it. You've created a segment in Aweber that you can use whenever you need to focus your emails on a specific group. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.